Want to make professional videos for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram Reels without ever showing your face, buying expensive gear, or spending hours editing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fliki, an incredibly easy AI video generator that turns simple text into ready-to-publish videos in under 5 minutes. So, what exactly is Fliki? At its core, Fliki is an AI-powered platform designed to turn your ideas, scripts, or blog posts into fully finished videos. It's built for creators, professionals, and teams who want to scale their content without the hassle of traditional filming. With over 12 million users worldwide, it has quickly become a go-to tool for making faceless videos, social media shorts, and educational content. Let's talk about how it actually works and some of its best features. First up is the text-to-video tool. All you have to do is paste a script, a blog post, or even just a one-line prompt. Fliki's AI will automatically write the script, choose relevant visual clips, add subtitles, and layer in background music and a voiceover. Speaking of voiceovers, their text-to-speech feature is massive. You get access to over 2,000 lifelike AI voices in more than 80 languages and dialects. You can even clone your own voice from a short sample to keep your branding consistent. If you want to stay consistent on social media, they also have a feature called Series. You tell Fliki your topic and style, and the AI will plan, write, and prepare a batch of sequential videos for you. And for those who want a personal touch without filming, the digital twin feature lets you record yourself once to create an AI version of you that can present and speak in dozens of different languages. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Fliki is incredibly fast, requires absolutely zero video editing experience, and is free to try with no credit card required. It's perfect for making quick, faceless content. As for the cons, while we don't have a large database of external user reviews to share today, it's worth noting that AI-generated video and stock clips can sometimes feel a bit generic if you don't customize them. Because our review data is limited, we highly recommend jumping into the free trial to test the voice quality and video pacing for yourself to see if it fits your specific style. Overall, if you want to save time and keep up with daily posting schedules on YouTube Shorts or TikTok, Fliki is definitely worth checking out. You can get started for free today by heading over to fliki.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you plan to create first. See you in the next video.